Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a neighborhood and apartment tour starting here in Roma Norte. We will edit out the street noise in the background, but we're here at our first apartment. What is this, 3-bedroom?
This is actually a loft, I believe. So a 1-bedroom for y'all. We'll make sure to put up all the specs so you know the exact location, how much it costs, and what the apartment is like. But right now, we're just super excited to get inside.
So our first apartment, we actually went to the wrong address. So now we are walking to the correct address. Since we are lining all of these up to go tour, it's gotten a little bit confusing. And we're also like 15 minutes late. So we're doing this for y'all. Hope you guys really appreciate this. I'm going to show you kind of what the streets look like here in Roma Norte. Apartment number 1. This is a loft.
Es el colchón matrimonial y sofá también. La barbería aquí al lado.
Yeah. Pretty bright. It's separate bathroom. You do not share the bathroom, but it's separate from. We are waiting to do our next apartment tour. The first one was interesting. It is listed at 14,000 pesos. Obviously, you could see it was pretty small.
Even like the bathroom was like outside of the actual apartment in the hallway. Not a shared bathroom, a private bathroom, but simply not connected.
Yeah, and I didn't look at the pictures beforehand. I don't know if you knew it was gonna look like that.
I had no idea. I like a surprise. I'm chaotic, but I figured that while we're doing the series, while we're touring apartments and neighborhoods, it's important that we get like a nice mix. So we'll have some 1-bedrooms, some lofts, some 2s, some 3s, stuff like that, just so that anyone watching this gets an idea of like their price range and their gauge and what they want and what that's gonna look like for them.
Absolutely. So again, we are touring another one. I think it's a 3-bedroom, the next one coming up, and we passed it, so we know exactly where to go. We're going to get there on time. And then, of course, we will show more of just Roma Norte in general. So stay tuned.
Departamentos en el piso.
Uno más. Uno me parece.
So hay dos en total, esto en un otro.
Ajá, exacto.
Total furniture?
Yeah.
All stay, okay.
Oh. The ceilings are so cool with the brick. How
This, yeah, you didn't see this room?
No, I haven't
Yeah.
looked at this thing. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, let's Step on the rug. So cute.
That's a lot of Swiss owners. Same in Colombia. That's where the guy was who owned the Airbnb.
Yeah.
This is a private area, and this is a house.
Oh, okay.
You can use this part.
Okay.
This is pretty. Mountains? I forget there are mountains. What did you think about the first 3-bedroom that we saw?
The first one was immaculate. I mean, that was the most expensive apartment we've ever toured. It was 60,000 pesos. And what you get for 60,000 pesos in Mexico City is off the chain.
What got you about that one?
It was high quality. The furniture was high quality.
It was.
The floors, the ceilings, you know,
The
having
ceilings
the
were
brick
really cool.
ceilings, yes.
That exposed brick was a really nice touch.
It was
I like
huge, spacious. It had an outdoor terrace, private. The building was very nice, very secure. And I just think that like they put a lot of touches into it.
The mural was really cute.
The kids'
In the kids'
bedrooms
room, there was a
were-
mural on one of the walls that was absolutely adorable. It was Dr. Seuss themed. It was like, oh, the places you'll go.
Yeah.
And then there were bunk beds in the other room, but also a desk.
Yeah, the
So that
other
was,
room
like,
was like a
interesting.
little different functionality wise, but I mean honestly that's a huge that's a dream apartment to me. And for the price, let's see, 60,000 pesos, that's about
Hold
3,000.
on. I can do this in real time right now because the conversion rate changes. So the conversion rate is up right now. I think USD to peso is just about like 18. What was it, 63?
61.
Or 61? $3,315 a month.
US.
At the current, USD. At
Yeah.
the current conversion rate, which is $18.40 to 1 peso.
Yeah, and to mind you, I mean, this is a huge apartment. It's a 3-bedroom. I think it was 3 bathrooms as well.
Yeah.
There's a bathroom in each room, and it's in like the most desired neighborhood in Mexico City, Roma Norte.
Definitely not.
So it's expensive. It's for people top of budget, people who have maybe 3 of y'all living in an apartment together, or a family of 4, a family of 5 can easily fit in
Because even
there.
for 2 adults with a roommate, that's, what is that, like 1,600 a month or
Yeah, you
something
split
like
that.
that?
I mean, that's a great apartment for roommate situations. They did have 1-year contracts, so everything that we look at on Mercado Libre probably is going to ask for a 1-year contract. Anything less than that, they may raise the price even higher.
Yeah.
They also may just ask for like additional deposits, stuff like that.
Yeah.
People
And
watching here is funny.
As a, yeah, it is. And as a reminder, looking for somewhere to stay, I feel like it seems a lot more complicated than it is. So we found our apartment, and we have seen a lot of apartments on Mercado Libre. It's very easy to set up a tour there, super simple. You can also try Facebook groups. So if you are looking to stay, but you need more flexibility, whether it's on time or finance or whatever, people are constantly renting out places. They're subletting through Facebook groups. There's more flexibility there. Another great way is to, again, walk through the neighborhood where you want to live in, the desired neighborhood. All over you'll see signs, se renta, for rent, right? WhatsApp the number, call them, go tour it. We've definitely done that before. We've toured a couple that way. And then I would say that the last place is, if you find an Airbnb that you really, really love, attempt to contact the host off the app, very important so you don't get banned from Airbnb for life, and just ask them if they're willing to work out some flexible terms with you. I think that's what your friend does.
Yeah,
Right? That's how you
what
found
it
this
is.
place in. Yeah,
it
that's
is.
what people do.
All right, so now we'll talk about the process of renting an apartment in Mexico City, what our experience has been like, and what I think is typical. So we've been looking on Mercado Libre and Inmuebles 24 for our apartments, and we're scheduling our own tours. So when we get there, we're usually met with a realtor, and the realtor is who you're going to do your negotiations with. That's very important.
Yes.
It's also who you're going to talk about what's included in the apartment, utilities, what bills are going to be included, and what you have to pay extra. So once you go to sign the lease, they typically are going to ask for, what we did was 2 months rent plus a deposit.
Well, even before that, there's an investigation. So they're gonna run like a background check. Of course, they want to see pay stubs, all that good kind of stuff. And then once you've cleared that, you get to move on to like the fun part of signing, which is very formal here.
Yeah, so the background check, again, it's just going to check if you had like previous history in Mexico. I don't even know if it taps into your American rental history or your credit score. But what they are going to want to see is your job history. How are you going to be able to afford this? So pay stubs, that type of thing is pretty rigorous. But again, if you want to get an apartment, you can. Again, yeah, once you do go to sign the lease, they are going to ask for the 3 months typically. Sometimes you can negotiate probably 2 months rent. And then you'll get your keys and discuss a move-in day. So that part is all pretty casual. We just left one other one on the streets, but we've seen about 3 or 4. We're in an Airbnb until. Yeah. Is it okay if we take a video to look at it?
Of course.
Okay.
How do you say that in Spanish? Podemos. What does it sacar? And then I get here and people. Okay, y'all, so we just saw our third apartment in the neighborhood of Roma, and we also stopped to get some churros right over here. We walked up to Parque España, and now we're gonna talk all about the apartments and all about La Colonia de Roma in La Ciudad de Mexico.
This was a partially furnished 3-bedroom apartment, and the price was 23,000 pesos.
Yeah,
a month
with 1 bathroom. So a 3-bed,
There's
1
only
bath.
1 bathroom?
Yeah, and there's no elevator.
No, there had to be another bathroom. Did I miss it?
There was only 1. It even says in listing. There's 1.
So 3-bed, 1 bath. Who does that? But yeah, it was unfurnished. The price was 23,000 pesos a month, which in US dollars is about
$1,250 USD a month currently.
So think about it: 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. A family could definitely do it. They can make that work. But I think a single person who just wants to have a lot of friends over, or a couple, that's great for a couple. I don't know about anything more than that.
It was spacious, I will say. Through like the living room and like the hallway area to the bedrooms, there was a lot of like open space in like the center. I don't think the bedrooms were especially large. Yeah. And then also the kitchen was small. So it was like a 2-burner stove. There were 2 like mini fridges. There wasn't 1 full-size fridge. And then the other thing to note is that the laundry was in like a separate bodega area, like in the top of the building. We didn't even go see that, but there was no in-unit laundry.
Yeah, so it's probably well, not shared laundry. It's your own laundry, but it's up on the top floor.
Yeah.
So definitely a different style. Like, you would have to furnish this place. You would have to buy a bed. You'd have to buy sofas, TVs. Like, it only had some desk furniture and some clothing storage. What do you call those?
Yeah, they're like some built-ins. Yeah, they're like some built-ins in the closets, and there was the dining room table was there. The dining room table and chairs. It was
again,
good quality.
if you're balling on a budget, I think this is a great place for the price and
Yeah.
the space and the location.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's not bad, but you're not going to get what you get for $3,000 a month. So this is definitely a place where if you're looking for something cost effective, it's going to work for you, it's functional. The realtor, he was trying to upsell the place, right? He was telling us about the building being solid,
Very structurally sound
structurally
in case there are
sound.
earthquakes.
He knew the building was old. We knew the building was old. But again, we just want to show you guys all the options with all the budgeting ranges. So
Yeah.
let us know what you think of the videos, of these places. And we will definitely get in contact with more and try to show y'all what else is out there in Mexico City.
For sure. Until next time, y'all. Bye.